Hi everyone, welcome to Question AI video. Literary Analysis Question 6. What is the tone of Lather and Nothing Else throughout most of the story? What was the tone that led you to your answer? Cite an example from the text and provide the page number. Blank space, blank space, blank space. 7. What is the mood or atmosphere of Lather and Nothing Else at the end of the story? Cite an example from the text and provide the page number. Page number, blank space, blank space, blank space. Want the full explanation? Check out the details below for the complete answer.